Hey you guys, hey, welcome to Gigi's Cooking with Gigi. And today we're gonna do a simple dish. I did fajitas, I did enchiladas, well not all enchiladas, I'm sorry you guys. But I'm definitely gonna do some chicken style street tacos. So that's what we're gonna do. Let's get right on into it. Right here I have some chopped cilantro, onion, a couple of lemons, chopped lemon, a half an avocado, marinated meat, Kobe Jack, and our shells, and that's all we pretty much need. Well, I need, and a little bit of taco sauce. Okay, so we're gonna add a little bit of lemon pepper. The Goya is already salty. Well, it already has salt in it, you guys, but a little extra won't hurt. This is onion powder. You don't have to do this if you don't want. You can just get the carnata seasoning, garlic powder, and season it with that, with some Goya or Goya by itself. I did it with that, it was good. Those street tacos always give me that rich taste. Season is a little bit more street. That is, I like to say. Oh, you guys, that's cumin, okay? So I told you guys, and I always tell you guys, keep cumin around by your side, okay? Like your Bonnie and your Clyde. And I'm just giving this a little light mix, stir, I would like to say. A little bit of pepper. I know my little bit be heavy, huh? My little bit be a lot. And look at that texture, you guys. You see that meat? Nice and seasoned and ready to go. So you guys, street style, we're gonna keep the fire up. We're gonna keep it cracking. We're gonna keep it popping, crisp brown. See, it's already getting its cook on. So it's only been on for about 5 minutes now. And I tend to keep the fire up because it's chicken breast. I just took 2 chicken breasts out of a pack, boneless chicken breasts, and I just cut it up in blocks. I could have made it smaller, but I should add some shrimp, huh, y'all? Ooh, that sounds bomb. See, now I'm going, if that's the stuff I be doing off camera, I would throw some shrimps in here, but I don't want to do that because y'all might think I'm just too ghetto. Look at that chicken, y'all. That's nice. It's beautiful. Ooh-wee. It smells good. It gives me El Pollo Loco vibes. It kind of smells like an El Pollo Loco a little bit. For real, it does, no lie. It's about almost done now. That smells good, y'all. Look at that meat. Let's get a zoom in, for real, for real. Look at that. Look at that chicken, y'all. Oh, it smells so good. You know why I be, making all that noise in the background? Because my fat butt be hungry. We're going to put a couple of onions in here. Some fresh onions I had from yesterday when I made my hamburger. I made me a double cheeseburger again. One of my special hamburgers. My 80 burger. So overall, my weekend was pretty good. I relaxed yesterday, got a lot of rest. I was really tired. I was real tired. I had a real busy week. It's been a busy month. It's always busy for me. I'm a single mom. I'm on the go, non-stop. I'm non-stop. I just want to make it right for my baby girl. Okay, so look at them onions. We're gonna let it sit for a couple more minutes and it's gonna be time to eat. Sorry you guys, I had to stop and rearrange these tacos and get my life, okay? And with all that being said, I want to thank you guys for watching me make my famous chicken street tacos. If you want to make yours more famousy, leave them on the fire, keep the top off, turn them up, and just scorch them a little bit till you get the brown edges and get that kind of burnt, like, you know I'm talking about, that street taco deal, kind of dry but burnt but still tasty. Go ahead, that's all up to you. I like mine a little juicy. With all that being said as well, you guys have a blessed day. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment, and keep on watching me and keep supporting me. And I thank you guys so much. God bless you. Goodbye. Mwah.